Hi, hi, future self and Carla. This is my World Studies Chapter 12 Reflection. Um, this was a very standard chapter. Current event in the middle. We had our Roman Empire virtual lesson, which I mentioned in the last reflection. Kind of covered, slipped from 11 to 12, so I'm going to need to split those to a more 11-centric lesson, virtual lesson, and then a more 12-centric virtual lesson. Looking at my notes, it looks like I didn't run into any real problems other than that for this chapter. MLK Day was right in the center, so a nice break for everyone. Didn't have any real problems with any of the quizzes. All the questions went well. Current events went well. Let's take a look at the test. Let's look at that speed grader. Alright. Average grade? 95%. No essay on this one. Yeah, the average ends up being a little higher usually when there's no essay question. So yeah, uneventful. I did have a gee whiz idea while I was taking a look recently at my lessons. So I did the basic, formatting updates for all the lessons. New videos. If the video was good, I started making the videos in such a way where there was no ability to tell what year it was, right? Or what day of the week it is, so that they're more recyclable. They're more, reusable towards the end, the second half of the school year last year. You lose some of the personality, so I still have those, but I pretty much scan every video and watch them when I determine whether or not to keep them or not, to make sure that everything I said is still applicable. And then that's one thing. Now the other thing, I did all the formatting changes. If we take a look at the lesson here, we updated. I always add a picture, update the look here. I had the idea for next year where it says resources here, and it's just always just our textbook. You can make this a link to this specific lesson in the online book. And I tested it out. As long as they're logged into the book when they start, it will take them directly to that lesson. It's just an idea I had. I'm looking forward to, not sure if I'm going to start doing that now or if I'm going to just wait for that formatting change next year. But sounds like a great idea. Pat myself on the back. Alright, that's really it for Chapter 12. Not a whole lot going on other than the basic changes, spelling errors, reformatting things to look a little nicer, and remaking videos. But no problems. I'll work on the virtual lesson for next year, and that's it for World Studies, Chapter 12.